Hello, it's Mrs. Carl, and I'm here with Sight and Sound Reading to read with you again today. I was so pleased at the way you read yesterday. Can we do a little bit more today? All right, let's see if later on we have any new words, because now we're going to review what we did yesterday, your last story that you had yesterday, all right? And it was on day 4. And we now are going to review day 4. All right, I hope you practiced it. Are you ready? Here we go. Remember in the story, we had a lot of what color word? Red. Yes, a lot of the color word red. So I think that you've learned to read it red with a lowercase r and red with an uppercase or a big R, a capital R, right? Because red was written both ways in our story, wasn't it? We also had in this story the new word. What was your new word that you had yesterday? The one that was underlined. Good. I. We had the word I. I see you. Do you see me? I love to read with you. I. We had that word yesterday. Are we ready to read together? Good. Let's read it. Good morning. I see a red swimming pool. I see a red bathing suit. There's that period now. You remember period means stop, right? It's like a dot. It's a period. It means stop. Let's continue. I see a red ball. I see a red sailboat. Good. I was waiting for you to say it. Sailboat. Good. Period. Stop. Red swimming pool. Red bathing suit. Red ball. Red sailboat. Red, red, red. Super reading. That was wonderful. Are we ready to read this again? This is the last time we're going to read this together until we circle it. And we will circle it and then we'll read it together. But this is the last time we'll read it without it being circled. So I need your help. Good reading, please. Good morning. I see a red, what is it? Swimming pool. I want to hear you reading now. You have to help me. And the period means we stop. I see a red bathing suit. I see a red ball. I see a red sailboat. Red swimming pool. Red bathing suit. Red ball. Red sailboat. Red, red, red. Super. That was wonderful.
Please circle the practice worksheet. Practice worksheet and the video can be found at sightandsoundreading.com.
Now we're on our story for day 5. And where does this story take place? Wow, they're at the beach. All right, our last story took place in a swimming pool at someone's house. But now we have a bunny and he is at the beach. Now, remember Mrs. Carl said whenever you are around water to make sure that there is a big person there with you, to always be with someone whenever you're around water. Well, I do not see anyone in that picture, but I think and I know that there's a big person there, and I bet it's going to be Mom, because here is the picnic basket. And I bet Mom is getting the things from the car and bringing them down for the picnic. So I do not think that that bunny is there all by himself. Okay, now let's look up here. And oh, it's a beautiful day. It's such a good day. Look at the sun, bright sun is shining. So I think it is going to be a good morning. And we have a new word. A new word. I want to know if you could look at the picture, and if you think you can tell me what the new word is. Now look at the picture. The picture is a clue to help you. See if you can figure it out, what the new word is. Did you say yellow? Did you say that the new word is yellow? Because there are so many yellow things in the picture? If you did, hooray, because you're right. Our new word today is yellow. Yellow. It starts with a Y, all right? It starts with a Y, and the Y says yellow. Y says like in yes. This word is yellow. Yes starts with Y too. But today our word is yellow, all right? Now, this is a lowercase y, and a lowercase y goes all the way down and has a tail. The tail comes down below the line. See, below the other letters. And that is called a lowercase or a little y. But if we go over here, and this y, it is above, it's on the line with all the others. See, it's on the line. It doesn't have a tail. The tail, it has a little tail here, I don't mean that, but it doesn't have a tail that comes below the line. But that is the uppercase Y. But that's also a Y. It also says y, and it is the word yellow. So here we have yellow, the word, with a lowercase y. And here we have yellow, the word, with an uppercase or a big Y. All right? Now, before we can read it, we better color it. Okay? Before we can read it together. We'll read it together as we color, but before we can read the entire story, we definitely better color it. All right? So let's start here. Good morning. I see a yellow sun. So I'm going to color the sun yellow. Now it's hard to see the yellows. Yellow doesn't show up as brightly as the red does, but I'm coloring it yellow, all right? There's a period, so that means we stop. And now let's go to the next sentence. I see a yellow pail. Oh, we have to have a... Let's go down and let's read some more because we have to do our coloring so we can read the story all together. I see a yellow, very good, yellow blanket. All right, now here's the yellow blanket right here. It looks like they're going to have a fun picnic on that blanket. I wish I knew what was in that basket to eat. I'm hungry. I'd love a little something to eat. All right, I wish I do. Here we go. There's a period, so we had to stop. Let's continue. I see a yellow bathing suit. All right, now you know what? This is a bathing suit that looks a girl would wear, and this is the yellow bathing suit here, so that's really a different kind of bathing suit, but it's still a bathing suit, and I see the boy has this kind of a bathing suit, but I have to color that bathing suit anyhow. But it is a different kind of a bathing suit. A boy and a girl usually wear a different kind. Right? And there's a period. Can you help me read? Yellow sun. Period. Yellow pail. Yellow blanket. Yellow bathing suit. Yellow, yellow, yellow. All right, we did it. We've got them. All of the pictures are colored. And now are we ready to read this together? Let's do a good job of reading now. Good morning. I see a yellow sun. I see a yellow pail. I see a yellow blanket. I see a yellow bathing suit. Yellow sun. Yellow pail. Yellow blanket. Yellow bathing suit. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Terrific reading. That was wonderful. That was really good reading. So proud of you. Can we do it one more time together for today? Just one more time. Okay, can you help me? Thanks. Good morning. I see a yellow sun. I see a yellow pail. I see a yellow blanket. I see a yellow bathing suit. Yellow sun, yellow pail, yellow blanket, yellow bathing suit, yellow, yellow, yellow. Wow, that was fabulous. Good reading. Practice, 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 and I can't wait till we can get together and read again. All right?